Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2015 Ford F-250 King Ranch. This is a crew cab, short bed, full-wheel drive. This truck has a 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. It's beautiful fire bronze metallic over caribou. It's a very, very nice truck. It's been very well kept. Factory tow package in the rear, park assist sensors, backup camera, tailgate step. The truck does have the factory spray and liner, factory fifth wheel prep, power sliding rear window. You've got the nice roll up tonneau cover. Just a really clean truck. It is all stock, never been modified or altered. Factory 20-inch wheels. I'm going to show you there is a little dent right here on the passenger door. I am going to get this fixed, so little scuff right there, I'll get that taken out. Other than that, this truck is absolutely perfect. It is very, very clean. Tow hooks, fog lights, of course big tow mirrors. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So with the King Ranch interior packages, they have a dark interior and a light interior. The light interior would be like tan door panels, tan carpet, tan headliner. So this truck has the dark interior, which is very hard to find. Most of them are all tan. Get the nice wood grain accents, of course power fold mirrors, memory seat, Sony stereo. The King Ranch trucks, you know, throughout the years they have several different colors, but they're all very unique leather. You've got the nice King Ranch emblem embroidered in the seats. They're perforated seats. Of course, power seats on both sides. Headlight controls are automatic headlights. Adjustable foot pedals. Tilt wheel. Steering wheel controls. This truck also does have Bluetooth. Leather wrapped steering wheel. This truck only has 54,848 miles. It runs absolutely perfect. Navigation, Bluetooth, again as I mentioned earlier, backup camera, CD player, automatic dual zone climate controls, factory trailer brake controller. So for 15, this was the first year. This is your factory exhaust brake. Full drive switches right here. It's a turn dial, turn left and right to go to 2, 4, 4 low. If you pull it straight out, you actually have a posi locking rear differential. A little emblem lights up right there on the dash to indicate that that is on. Traction control, you've got a 110 outlet up right up front here, another 12-volt outlet on the passenger side. You've got audio and video inputs, an SD card input, 2 USBs, and another 12-volt input right up here. And your overhead console, you've got 2 containers right there, 2 storage containers. You've got a power sliding rear window switch, home link, so you've got a built-in garage door opener. Of course, these trucks all have vanity mirrors. All the door panels are in beautiful shape. The rear seats are again in beautiful shape. There are no odors in the interior. The headliner is perfect. This rear seat, you can lock it with the factory key to keep the bottom down if you'd like, because there is storage. You've got another 12-volt outlet in here. The rear of the seat, the back, it also lays flat. It'll fold down to the seat bottom. You've got HVAC vents back here for your passengers. You've got another 110 outlet and a 12-volt outlet. Here's another look at your dash. If you're looking for just a nice, clean King Ranch, one that's not been altered, still has full factory warranty, this one's it. You've got the nice WeatherTech mats and floor, front and rear. Passenger seat is powered just like the driver's side. It does have lumbar support. These seats both have AC and heat. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesels. So in 15, They got the factory exhaust brake. They also got a little bump in power. These trucks make 440 horse and 860 foot-pounds of torque. This truck is 100% stock mechanically. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, please give me a call directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, and I have nationwide shipping available. Thank you.